और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
This video is job training.
Hello, I am AI Anchor Maya. Possibly at a 42% discount.
The coffee industry is booming with global sales.
It's 2023 and it's something that AI is taking over the world. Yes, do remember that AI is not going to replace any kind of human but a person using AI will. So if you want to start your own YouTube channel or if you want to create any kind of content but you are feeling shy or with respect of any reason you don't want to show your face but want to create a more professional video content, then I have brought an amazing AI tool that will help you to create amazing videos with an AI avatar which will help you to create the script, which will automatically create the video, which will automatically create an AI avatar. It will work as an anchor. That's just how I'm standing here and presenting all my thoughts, all my ideas, all my content here. Similarly, instead of you, your AI avatar is going to provide all those information in the video. So let me show you that how you can do that thing, how you can create that thing. Basically, this AI tool, all you have to do is just give the topic to this AI tool and this AI tool will completely create the video. And with the help of this advanced technology, you can also make any enhancement, make any changes in it, edit the voiceover, change the avatar, change the person, change the style, change the font. A lot of features are there. So without wasting any of your time, let me take you to my PC and show you that how can you create a video without showing your face, and that too in just 5 minutes. So to start with how to create an AI avatar and make your video done, all we will search in the Google search bar is Deep Brain. If you just search for the Deep Brain, the top result is the one tool that we were talking about, that is Deep Brain AI based AI video creator. Let's just click on it. So this is how the video is going to be. So let me now show you that how to get started. So let's do a thing. Let's just click on this create a free AI video, and now we'll be adding the topic here to create a video. So there are few solutions that is being already generated here in this section. So I'll choose this 5 ways to improve your B2B sales presentation. I'll just click here. I'll just come down and select the best template. Like I personally like this one. Let's click on this and create a free AI video. Okay, so this is curating the information with the help of ChatGPT. So somewhere it is getting the information with ChatGPT and getting prepared the scripts and getting things ready. So this is how the video is. So before I play the video, you can also, change any kind of model. Like if I'm not liking this model, all I can do is just go to this model section and choose any of the model that I am liking here. For suppose if I like Drake, I'll choose Drake here for this video. Yes, it suits well. Also the template section, if I want to go and change any kind of template, I can go and change the template as per my requirement. For suppose if I want to make it as a breaking news, I'll just click here, and this will turn into breaking news. So basically it is just like how you use the Canva. It is a kind of Canva only basically. If I just want to remove this script, I'll just click on undo button because I don't want this thing to be added in my thing. And apart from that, there is a media section where you can go and add any kind of image, video, audio, file, any kind of thing. Like if I just click here, this image is here, I can also click as set as background only this slide. So now this image will be set as a background in this slide. I'll just click here, I'll just right click on this and I'll just click on remove. So you can see that now the background is something like this. You can also add some text like a title or a subtitle kind of any kind of thing. You can click and just add any kind of information if you want. I'm not liking this thing, let's just remove it. So for now, let's see that what video has this AI tool created for us as per our prompt. So before I show you the video, let me also show you that you can also change the voiceover that you are going to listen in this video. So there are multiple options, there are multiple languages you can choose for the voiceover basically. So for now, whatever the voiceover is, I'm just happy with that. Let's just listen how does it sounds.
Your value proposition should be clear, concise, and explain how you can solve your customers' pain points. Highlight how your solution can deliver ROI and link it to specific business outcomes.
Okay, so this was well. So let's do a thing. Let's just click on this review button and let's have a look at the entire video and see how does this looks. Okay, just a minute. I do have something for you. If you really want to create something more better content, want to know more about the AI technology, then yes, I do feel personally that you are a person who really wants to get adapted with the AI technology. If it is a yes, then I have a beautiful offer for you. To update your AI knowledge and your AI thought process and your working method of using AI, we have beautifully created a workshop for you. This is a 3-hour workshop. Please note that I'm not setting this workshop for you. It is something that will help you to update your AI knowledge. This workshop is created just for ₹999. In this 3 hour of workshop, you will be getting a chance to interact with 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni who have founded multiple 8-figure companies, and they will be teaching you all about this AI productivity. So to know more about this AI tool, this AI workshop, I have given the link in the description below. Go there, just click the link and just enroll it and get your knowledge from zero to hero. Now let's get back to the video.
Your value proposition should be clear, concise, and explain how you can solve your customers' pain points.
Because basically it is telling us to export the video to animate the avatars. Now let's click on the generate. Okay, so now it is exporting the video and I'm pretty sure that this is going to animate our avatar.
Your value proposition should be clear, concise, and explain how you can solve your customers' pain points. Highlight how your solution can deliver ROI and link it to specific business outcomes.
Learn about their industry, company, key challenges and pain points. Tailor your message accordingly, using industry-specific jargon, examples, and case studies that resonate with your audience. Make it all about them and show how you can help. Add PowerPoint slides, videos, images, or any relevant visual aids to support your message. Visual aids make your presentation more interesting and memorable. Use them to illustrate your points, support your argument, or show real-life examples.
Okay, so I can tell you one thing that yes, with the help of this AI tool, you can create multiple videos just like this, and it also supports a lot of multiple options. Like it supports URL to AI video, solid background, default template, a lot of options are there. But I am using this tool just for creating an video with an AI avatar so that I can make video without showing my face. And I can say yes, if you really want to make a video, you can go and choose this tool. The tool name is deepbrain.io. So this was all about this tool. If I give you my review, I would personally say that yes, this tool is working so good and you can make regular videos and create engagement in your social media platform. So this was all about this tool, how you can create a video without you showing your face. I hope you found this video useful. Do like this video if you really found the video useful, and yes, let me know that what kind of AI tools do you use in your daily tasks in the comment section below. This will be an interaction and a way of learning from one to each other. I'll be interacting with the comment, and yes, I'm excited to see you back once again with one more amazing video with one more amazing AI tool. Till then, stay tuned with BTNX. Bye bye.